Strawberry cream cheese pudding. It's cold, it's creamy, tastes great.
It's the hot summertime and I'm ready for something cool and creamy, but I really don't want to use Cool Whip. So what I am going to do is use cream cheese and sweetened condensed milk. Now the first thing I want to do is get this cream cheese blended up where it's nice and creamy, and then I'm going to add the sweetened condensed milk to it. 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Now this could be lime juice, also it could be fresh squeezed. I'm using the bottled because that's what I've got in my pantry. And then I'm going to blend this up till it's nice and creamy. Okay, now to this I'm going to add some strawberry pie filling. Could have been cherry pie filling, but I really want something red to really give it a pretty pink color. Let's see how. Now to this I'm going to add some canned pears that I had chopped into bite-sized pieces. And you could, I would have preferred pineapple, but this is what I had in my pantry. So this is just really an adaptable recipe. And I want to fold those in. Okay, now to this I'm going to add about a cup of miniature marshmallows. Okay, and to this I'm going to add about a cup of shredded coconut. Okay, now I'm going to get a pretty bowl that has a lid and I'm going to layer it just like I would a banana pudding. I have my vanilla wafers. Now this is going to be according to how much you like a lot of cookies in your pudding. I don't particularly care for a whole lot, so I'm going to start out just putting some here in the bottom. Then I'm going to put about half of this in there. Put some additional vanilla wafers in there. If you want to be a little fancy, you can kind of scatter some of these around the side of the bowl. Then I'm going to put the rest of the pudding mixture in here. Okay, now I'm ready to put this in the refrigerator. I'm going to let it chill for a couple of hours and then we'll come back and see how yummy it is.
Creamy and cold, refrigerated overnight, and it will be perfect for those bring a dish events. Friends and family will love it. Homemade cooking is easy and tastes great. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these easy to please, easy to make recipes.